Hey Hey guys, I can now finally taste the trending Ilocos empanadas. Wow! Crispy pa jud kay ni siya. I just ordered it online and this is the link, guys. Let's take a first bite. Mmm, grabe. Saksak kay sinagot ang ilahang empanadas. I have here my red and light. This is so good. Last part. And na, to be honest, nabusog jud ko. Mm. Nabusog jud ko sa ko ang Ilocos empanadas. It's worth trying and it is super affordable. So you should order na and try the hype because it is so worth trying. And salamat sa pagtanaw.